Hey everybody, it's Julie here with Xpress-pay. I wanted to let you know that we're going to be launching an awesome new Facebook group for all of our top clients. When you join, you're going to be getting early access to all of our newest and greatest features and tools that are going to be available for you. And you're going to be able to learn how to use them to grow your business faster. You're also going to be able to connect with hundreds of other like-minded individuals who are using our system to get paid faster and that are using it to enhance their customer experience more and more all the time. Plus, on top of that, we're also going to be doing some private Facebook sessions on how to use the most effective techniques available in your account, and they're available for you for free today. So be sure to check out the button below to join our Facebook group, and we will let you guys know when it's going to be available for you. And I look forward to getting to know each and every one of you better and better all of the time. So I'll see you soon.